If you've just typed roller shutter repairs near me into a search engine, you've already had a bad enough day. Something's not working. Maybe it's stuck. Maybe it's making a noise it shouldn't. Maybe it got hit by a vehicle and the curtain's off the guides. Whatever it is, you need someone qualified, local, and fast. Not a call centre that puts you on hold, and not a generalist who's never seen a roller shutter up close. So let's talk about what you should actually expect when you find the right repair company. First, the most common faults we see: shutter stuck open or closed. This is the most urgent scenario and the most common call we get. The curtain has stopped travelling and the site is either exposed or inaccessible. Usually it's a motor issue, a limit switch fault, or the curtain has come off the guides. Motor failure on electric shutters. Motors have a lifespan. When they go, whether it's a slow decline or a sudden stop, the shutter won't operate until the motor is assessed and either repaired or replaced. Impact damage. A vehicle strike, a forklift knock, a delivery that went wrong. This can range from a single bent slat to a bottom rail that's been pushed out of shape and locked the curtain in place. Worn cables or straps on manual shutters. The winding mechanism on a manual shutter takes real mechanical stress every time it's used. Over time, cables fray, straps snap, and the pulley system wears out. When that happens, the shutter won't operate safely. Remote control and sensor faults. Sometimes the shutter itself is fine. It's the controls that have failed. A dead receiver, a misaligned sensor, a key switch that's been damaged. These faults look like motor failure but are often quicker and cheaper to fix. Now, why local matters? When a roller shutter fails, the response time is everything. A repair company based 300 miles away might offer a competitive price on paper, but if they can't attend until tomorrow and your premises are unsecured tonight, the saving isn't worth it. A local engineer knows the area, they can get to you faster, and a company that's been operating in your region for years will have encountered your type of building, your type of shutter, and your type of fault before. HVP Security Shutters are based in Exeter. We cover the southwest extensively: Devon, Cornwall, Somerset, Dorset, Bristol and Wales, and we operate nationwide for both emergency and planned repair work. We've been repairing shutters since 1991. Across 12,000 installations and 34 years of service, there isn't a fault type we haven't seen. When you call us for a repair, here's what happens. We ask about the shutter, type, fault, location. We give you any immediate safety guidance if the site is exposed or the shutter poses a risk. We attend, diagnose, and either complete the repair on the first visit or make the site safe and return with the correct parts. And if the same shutter has failed twice in 12 months, we'll tell you honestly whether a repair is the right answer or whether a replacement is the more cost-effective decision long-term. One final point. If you're searching for repairs near me reactively because something's already broken, it's worth asking about planned maintenance at the same time. A service contract means your shutters are inspected regularly, faults are caught early, and emergency call-outs become the exception rather than the rule. For businesses with multiple shutters, or sites where a failure would cause serious disruption, it's not optional. It's good risk management. HVP Security Shutters. Emergency repairs and planned maintenance across the southwest and nationwide. 01392270218. hvpshutters.co.uk. Get your expert repair quote today.